Okay, so we are looking for the best 6-quart pot that we can find. Now this is what we had before. It's non-stick, it's very high quality, at least the brand name is there. And the problem is that it's thin down here and it doesn't keep the heat. We want to be able to do something that we can saute and then turn it into a soup. And so we have just bought this product. A great way to test this out is to make New England clam chowder. And this is the beginning. We got to get this bacon really good. Then we're going to use the grease that's left over to saute everything else. The bacon fried up in no time flat. We've got our pot here with the grease at the bottom, and we're getting everything cut up right now so that we can do that sauteing that we really want to see if this pot performs well with. That's the sound that we want, for sure. That means that the bottom, which is multi-layer, is holding the heat and doing a nice job of dispersing it up here. One of the cool things is that it's easy to mix things here. You've got these rounded sides, and it's really nice to get a spatula in there and just do what you need to do. Nothing sticking to the bottom. This is, so far, a great pot. The top is a good fit, and as you can see, there's a section that just allows a little steam to come off, and so far, again, the pot is performing wonderfully. All right, it's the moment of truth. This pot has performed well so far. This is our secret recipe of New England clam chowder. We're gonna put some into the bowl, and the last thing I'm gonna do is talk to you about how this bowl cleans up, but we'll also tell you about the taste of the soup. All right, the soup was awesome. And now it's time for the rough stuff, right? I've got a little scouring pad, and this thing's cleaning up beautifully. So, I gotta tell you, this is a great pot. We endorse it. 2 thumbs up here from this family.